Pause for a moment. Ever wondered why you feel an instant lift surrounded by greenery? Meet the silent superheroes, your everyday plants. They may seem humble, but here's the shocker. Scientific studies prove they're mental health powerhouses. Yes, you heard it right. Plants, your home's leafy companions, your office buddies, and the unsung champions on your windowsill. Get ready for the unexpected magic they bring into our lives. Welcome to the Green Revolution, where your mood meets nature in the first seconds. A plant might seem simple, an object of aesthetic addition or a mere oxygen producer, but it is so much more than that. Researchers across the globe have dedicated countless hours to studying the effect of plants on humans, and the evidence they have accumulated points to a remarkable truth. Plants can significantly lower stress levels, boost mood, and even enhance productivity. Think about it. Imagine a long, tiring day at work. Your brain is frazzled, your patience is worn thin, and all you want is to escape the concrete jungle. Now envision yourself entering your home, your safe haven, only to be greeted by a plethora of lush greenery. The sight of swaying gently, their vibrant green hues radiating calm and serenity. Imagine their fresh, earthy aroma filling your space, instantly relaxing your senses. Soothing, right? That's the magic of plants. They transform our environments from sterile, lifeless spaces into vibrant living ecosystems. This transformation does not merely improve the aesthetics of a room, but also creates a calming environment. This calming environment works as a balm, reducing anxiety, promoting relaxation, and fostering a sense of peace and well-being. And that's not all. Engaging with plants, nurturing them, watching them grow, and caring for them can serve as a form of therapy. Watering your plants, trimming their leaves, repotting them, observing their growth. These acts of care can provide a therapeutic outlet, offering a sense of accomplishment and significantly improving your focus and attention span. The routine and discipline plants require, the bond formed through shared moments of care, and the joy of seeing a new leaf unfurl. All these aspects to developing patience, resilience, and the art of mindfulness. The mere presence of plants in your space could very well be the secret to boosting your productivity, well-being, and overall mental health. Yet, plants are not just about mental health. They have a plethora of physical benefits too. They improve air quality by absorbing harmful toxins, increase humidity, and promote better sleep. All these factors contribute to better health and well-being. Whether it's a towering fiddle-leaf fig or a petite succulent, every plant has its benefits and can contribute to your wellness journey in its own special way. So, as we dive deeper into the wonders that these green beings unravel, becomes a question that begs to be asked. Are you sharing your space with these green mood boosters yet? Have you invited these silent superheroes into your life yet? If not, today might just be the perfect day to start your journey into the magical, healing world of plants. Remember the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, how about we modify it a bit with our newfound knowledge and say, a plant a day keeps the blues away.